Okay, guys, so this is a nice furnace, how to use furnaces. We have a furnace right here for your base. We got 4 furnaces here, and in this room, it looks really cool. Boom! You get a lot of stuff cooking. It's really fun. Yeah. Maybe put some big furnaces outside. But yeah, this is a nice area. And it's pretty bright after you get all of them up. And it sounds weird too. So, if just crouch down if you get stuck. So this is called the toe fungus room, we call it that. Yeah. So that's how to use furnaces in real life and in Strayed.